Welcome, Tesla enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of your Tesla Model S battery? Picture this, saving thousands of dollars simply by optimizing how you charge. Battery efficiency isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for your electric vehicle's performance and your pocket. Imagine achieving more miles on a single charge, all while preserving your battery's health. Today, we'll embark on a journey to discover how you can effortlessly maximize your Tesla's battery efficiency and extend its life. From understanding the mechanics of lithium-ion batteries to adopting smart charging practices, we'll equip you with the knowledge to make the most of your Model S. Let's dive in and explore the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Ready to transform your driving experience? Let's get started. Understanding the mechanics of your Tesla's lithium-ion battery is crucial. To maximizing efficiency and extending its life, at the core of every electric vehicle lies the lithium-ion battery, a marvel of modern technology. These powerhouses contain components like the anode, cathode, separator, and electrolyte, each playing an essential role in energy storage and transfer. Lithium ions move through the separator to release energy while driving and return to their original position during charging. This exchange process is key to powering your vehicle. Understanding this is essential for making informed choices that affect battery health and longevity. When you comprehend the basics, you're better equipped to adopt practices that prevent degradation, ensuring your battery remains efficient for as long as possible. Knowledge is power, literally, leading to better decisions like optimal charging and using preconditioning techniques to protect your battery in extreme temperatures. By understanding your battery's language, you're setting yourself up for a future with fewer battery replacements and more eco-friendly adventures on the road. Now, let's transition into how your charging habits impact the lifespan of your trusty companion. Diving right in, charging practices are crucial for your Tesla Model S battery's health and longevity. Let's dissect how your charging choices impact this valuable resource. Different charging levels, 1, 2, and 3, have distinct effects on battery longevity. Level 3 charging, or fast charging, is convenient when you're in a rush, but it can accelerate battery degradation over time. The intense process introduces more heat, affecting internal components. Balancing with slower level 1 or 2 charging, like overnight at home, can extend battery life by reducing wear and tear, allowing the battery to cool between charges. Aim to maintain your charge between 20% and 90%, the sweet spot for a healthy battery. Regularly charging to 100% offers extra range, but habitual top-offs can cause long-term damage. The goal isn't just filling up, but filling smartly. Imagine waking up to a fully charged vehicle aligned within the ideal range. This method not only enhances battery lifespan, but saves energy costs and places less demand on your household power grid. Incorporating these practices can significantly bolster your Tesla's performance and longevity, allowing you to enjoy the full benefits of EV ownership. Consistent, mindful charging is your ticket to an economical and enduring drive. Learning these nuances empowers you to be a conscientious Tesla owner. So, what's your go-to charging practice? Let's get that conversation going in the comments. Share your experiences, and let's maximize our Tesla experiences together. Welcome back, fellow Tesla enthusiasts. As we continue our journey toward maximizing battery efficiency, let's focus on state of charge and temperature. Together, these play a significant role in prolonging battery life. Let's first delve into the state of charge, or SOC. An optimal SOC, between 20% and 90%, is the sweet spot for battery health. Keeping your battery within this range minimizes degradation over time. This range is like a comfort zone for your Tesla's battery, reducing stress and enhancing longevity. Regularly charging to 100% or letting the charge drop too low can accelerate wear and tear. By minding the SOC, you nurture one of your car's most vital components, ensuring agility today and in the future. Now onto temperature. Extreme heat or cold impacts your battery. Park in shaded areas or a garage during summer to lessen heat strain. In winter, preconditioning your car ensures optimal battery state, resilient to the cold. By managing SOC and temperature impacts, you're optimizing your Tesla's efficiency. This knowledge empowers you to enjoy your drive today and for miles to come. Did you learn something new? Let us know in the comments below, and if you haven't already, the next segment promises more tips. Imagine stepping into your Tesla on a chilly morning, feeling the power surge beneath you. It's the magic of preconditioning at work. By warming your battery before your journey, you're optimizing performance, protecting its health, and ensuring you're maximizing energy use. Preconditioning extends range and improves efficiency, making every drive smoother. Now let's switch gears to regenerative braking. Often overlooked, regenerative braking is brilliant, extending battery range and longevity. By capturing energy normally lost during braking, it subtly enhances your drive and keeps your battery in top shape. These advanced techniques are strategies you can easily incorporate into your routine, empowering you to maximize your Tesla's potential. Curious about starting with these features? Stay tuned as we dive into step-by-step guides for these tools. Ready to transform your driving experience with these efficiencies? Let's unlock the true power of your Tesla together. As we wrap up our deep dive into Tesla battery management, let's reinforce the crucial takeaways. Mastering your Tesla Model S's battery efficiency isn't just about saving money, though you can save around $3,000 over 5 years. It's about peak performance every drive. We've explored lithium-ion battery mechanics, revealing how understanding their inner workings can yield efficiency gains. We've also discussed charging levels, showing how strategic practices prevent degradation and extend battery life. By maintaining an optimal state of charge between 20% and 90%, you're setting your battery up for longevity. Beyond charge, temperature plays a critical role. Preconditioning mitigates extreme environment effects, safeguarding battery health. Regenerative braking not only boosts efficiency, but extends your range. These insights are your toolkit. Integrate them into your routine. As a Tesla owner, you're at the forefront of cutting-edge technology. With actionable insights, you have the power to maximize your experience while championing sustainable travel. If you found our guide valuable, join the conversation. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's learn together. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with fellow Tesla enthusiasts so they too can optimize their ride. Explore these strategies further with recommended tools like the OptiWatt app for refined Tesla charging management. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, drive efficiently and embrace innovation.